Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. So what we've been working on today is a Jeep Wrangler. It's an absolute beast of a vehicle, loving it at the moment, looks really nice, and obviously within this weather as well you can make the best of this with the roof down as well. So what we've upgraded this vehicle with is an Alpine Halo 9 9-inch screen. So this vehicle came into us looking to add Apple CarPlay to the system. The vehicle only came as factory or had the transformation done to a single DIN unit, which wouldn't allow for a screen. If you own a vehicle that has a single DIN radio looking to get Apple CarPlay in there, this is a brilliant solution for you. So we work and tailor every solution by a consultation basis. Feel free to give us a call, let us know when you're going to pop by. We're based in Cambridge and all our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. But basically what we do, we sit down with you, design the system, price it all up for you, and we go through all the options that are humanly possible to add to your vehicle. So this customer, we had upgraded his last car and now we're doing the same on this one. So what we've gone for is a Halo 9, adding functionality for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, also for Bluetooth streaming, as well as hands-free. So we positioned the microphone in a really sensible position, so obviously when you got the roof down, you can still pick you up, and then Bluetooth streaming playing through the existing system. But on this particular vehicle, we are going to be upgrading the system very soon, and we'll do an updated video to show you the full system that we've done on this particular install. So the Alpine Halo 9 basically gives a lot added functionality, but the main thing is it gives you a 9-inch fixed screen that you can view your maps through your phone. Really nice functionality, and the screen resolution is really nice as well. On the Halo 9, you've got 3 adjustment points, so we can angle it to practically however you want it positioned in the vehicle to give you the maximum view as well. So we're an Alpine authorised dealer, so feel free to get in touch with us if you're looking into an Alpine unit, whether it's the Halo 9 or a vehicle specific solution that they do. We do loads of other solutions, so feel free to get in touch with us for that. So this is the Jeep Wrangler. It's a really cool system, really nice touchscreen. We're about to hand over to the customer. I'm sure they're going to be over the moon with the finished product and the system. To get digital radio into this vehicle, what we've done is actually use the DAB splitter to convert the factory antenna onto this on the vehicle, and what we've done is added on DAB to that antenna. Works brilliantly, as well as retaining the full functionality of the factory look for the antenna on the vehicle. So thank you very much for watching our short video on the Alpine Halo 9 that we've installed to this Jeep Wrangler. So for more details, get in touch with us. We'll drop all our social media links below. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, as well as Twitter. Thank you very much once again, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.